everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy stories. Today we are talking about Umkhokha. Guys, it was the final episode today for this season, and we are hoping they will give us season 2. Guys, let's talk about Mamzobe's character. We have to give the queen her crown. She really nailed a character ka Mamzobe lo mama. Guys, igama lakhe langempela umama uDeli Malinga. She's been an actress for more than 2 decades, and for the first time she landed herself a leading role as Mamzobe on Mzansi Magic drama series Umkhokha. Speaking to Chisa Live, she said she's been praying to get a lead role one day, and her prayers were answered. She said this character drained her emotionally. She had to dig very deep to some of the most painful things she had experienced in the past, like losing her mother at the age of 20, in such a way that after the shooting she needed to take a break so that she can take away Mamzobe completely in her body, because as the time went by she realized it was too much involvement of Mamzobe with Deli, so she needed her own space to deal with herself. She said, I needed to be alone, no friends, no phone calls, nothing, because I had to go through certain things I had experienced in my life. Writing, talking to my notebook was my only solution. Apart from an intense and emotional demand her character required, Deli said she later had to deal with threats from some audience members who could not differentiate Deli from her Mamzobe character. I saw people talking about this character and hating it so much, telling me not to go to the malls because they will beat me up when they see me. They even asked me if I have bodyguards. But through social media, guys, she said she was able to communicate with her audience and give some clarity and a few lessons about differentiating a character with the actor. She said she got her courage from actress like Cindy Lato on The River, Connie Ferguson, and Rami on The Queen, so she knew she wanted to play Mamzobe ngendlela yakhe that will touch and shock South Africa. And indeed guys, we are still shocked. That's all I have for today guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Would you like to see season 2 of Umkhokha, and what are your expectations? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.